Imagine a product so forgotten that it languished on the dusty back shelves of tech stores, its potential untapped and its features overlooked. Enter tech reviewer Marks Brownlee, who stumbled upon the device, a seemingly obsolete smart speaker, during an impromptu unboxing session on his YouTube channel. The video, initially meant as filler content, showcased the speaker's surprisingly advanced AI capabilities and impeccable sound quality. Within hours, the video went viral, racking up millions of views and sparking a buying frenzy. Retailers sold out overnight, and the once-neglected smart speaker became a bestseller, its manufacturer scrambling to meet the unexpected demand. This unplanned unboxing didn't just revive a product, it reshaped its legacy, proving the unparalleled power of social media and influencer reviews in today's tech world.